How to grow any social media account fast in 2025. Everyone wants fast social media growth, but most fail because they focus on the wrong things. It's not about posting random content or copying trends. It's about strategy, consistency, and psychology. In this video, I'll show you the complete growth system for 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grow TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube quickly, even as a faceless creator. 1. Understanding the algorithm. Algorithms reward watch time, retention, and engagement. Short-form content equals discovery gives more reach. Long-form content equals authority builds trust and keeps viewers on your channel longer. Track performance metrics weekly and adjust content accordingly. 2. The power of content pillars. Define 3 to 5 content pillars for your niche. Examples for digital growth niche: tips and tutorials, tools and reviews, trends and hacks, motivation and mindset. Content pillars create consistency, make your account recognizable, and help the algorithm understand your niche. 3. Hook, value, and CTA formula. Every video needs a strong hook first 3 seconds. Deliver value immediately, teach something actionable, and with a call to action, save, share, comment, or visit your bio link. Example: want more traffic in 24 hours? Save this tip and watch till the end. 4. Posting schedule and consistency. TikTok, 2 to 3 posts a day. Instagram, 1 reel a day plus stories 3 to 5 a day. YouTube, 2 shorts plus 1 long video a week. Batch create content to stay consistent without burnout. Small, consistent actions compound over time. Growth snowballs. 5. Engagement and community building. Algorithms love interaction, respond to comments, create polls, ask questions. Encourage UGC user-generated content, repost it in stories or shorts. Build a community, not just a following. People follow creators they trust. If you implement these strategies, your social media accounts will grow faster, smarter, and more sustainably. Short-form content gets you discovered. Long-form builds trust. Consistent posting compounds growth. And engagement turns followers into a loyal community. Start today. Pick a platform, create a batch of content, and implement the engagement strategies we talked about. Growth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right system, you'll see results faster than most people imagine. Remember, faceless doesn't mean invisible. Smart strategy plus consistency equals exponential growth.